So I'll give you a quick tour of this place. This was my room. Hey, Mr. Cat. Hey, Mr. Cat. He's 21 years old. He looks tired. Yeah, so I changed some money at this Tom's Cook, like down there in this Colombo mall. Got some food, and I'm gonna go soon to the train station. It's 2 kilometers or almost 3. So in the train station looks kind of small. I need to go to 17, pick my ticket. Got my ticket. Yeah. Kind of extra process. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Kandy. You take me tuk tuk with Kandy. Yeah, man. And I'm looking for a place to chill. They're like wilding. Probably this is not first class or something. They're just getting seats. Huh. Crazy. I'll have a reserved seat probably. I hope so. Some cool views, so maybe I'll get some more. I hope so. so it's almost 7. The train ride was a little bit bumpy, but it had some nice views. Also trying to book a train to Ella from Kandy, but not possible. Only night train. Probably you need to book like 1 month ahead. It's not expensive, just it's overbooked. So that kind of sucks. To be honest, the trains doesn't look like 100% safe. You need to watch out, like some things. Yeah, but it's okay. Yeah, so yeah, man.
You need tuk-tuk?
Nah, bro.
Where are going, bro?
I need a bus to Dambulla.
Dambulla.
Bus. Yeah, so a bus for tomorrow should be somewhere here. Nah, bro. Yeah, so probably this is the bus stand. I found a bus, but it's crowded, like full. I don't need it now anyway, so it's okay. Yeah, the big Buddha statue is very close. There's more buses when I walk ahead. So I see this cool Buddha statue there. Might look so close, but I checked it, it's kind of far. I'm just gonna go look for dinner. I'm gonna go to my Airbnb. I'm gonna walk around, see what I can find here. I just had dinner, like 2 paratas, egg omelette, dal, and watermelon juice. So it cost me 920. That's about 3 euros.
Hi, come to please.
Hey. Yeah, supermarket. It's kind of big. It's kind of cool that they have supermarkets. Like in India, very hard to find. Some kind of herbs. Found some glue for shoes. So this should be the lake. You probably don't see anything, but yeah. Looks cool. Like the lake is above. Like if you go there, you would like drown under the lake or something. What I'm trying to say that basically if you go down here, you're gonna be like lake level. It's like almost like a dam or something, I don't know. I think I never seen this before. Or maybe I did, I don't know. Looks cool. Yeah, Kandy looks nice. It's not bad. It's clean, have supermarkets. The locals are quite nice, helpful. A dosa place that looks packed. Yeah, a lot of people. Maybe I'll come here tomorrow. Should be nice. Okay, so I just arrived at my Airbnb. It's more like hotel. Kandy Hub. Yeah, it looks kind of neat, but it's almost 20 euro. Still nice. Like, the quality is good. It has a balcony. Just it's very remote. The tuk-tuk almost broke down. Yeah, so tomorrow I need to get a bus. I don't know. I have two nights in Istanbul. I think it's too much, but only one night to get there and the other to get like to Sigiriya. So 2 nights. After that, plan would be go back to Kandy and get a bus to Ella, probably minivan, because the trains are all booked out. There's only like night trains. Yeah, so plan ahead. Yeah, that's about it.